May 18th, 2021. Daddy's Girl Taping. Welcome to my channel. Alden and Maine edition. Kumusta po? Thank you so much for the visit and support to my channel. Shout out Aldubnation. Team Abroad. Team Penis. Team Bahay. Team Senior Citizen. Team Soko. And to all Aldub fanatics. Hope everyone is safe and healthy. Today is busy blessed day for our babies. Today is Alden's first lock-in taping for the world. Between us. Can you guess what is Alden role? And Dina Bonavi. Hope the taping goes smoothly. And finish quickly too. Meanwhile, Maine is on location. Taping 2 of Daddy's Girl. Looks like they are having time. Based on the pictures they shared on social media. They even shared a picture of themselves, how they will look like after 1,000 episodes. Good vibes. Especially someone sent a cake. 2 for it's the 100 episodes. By the way, Maine is present in Eat Bulaga today. Sexy in her OOTD again. She is wearing short skirt. But some happy Aldubnation can't help but notice the tummy tuck. Gets nyo po what it is? Also today, Vivo promotion is out, and Maine as brand ambassador. It has million views in different social media sites. If Vivo promotes Maine as brand ambassador, Lazada is all out. 2. To promote Alden as their mid-year 66 sale ambassador. What a lucky couple, blessed. Every day, fans can't help it too. To call Maine Karacha. Ang Barbeng Walan Pahinga. Main schedule is busy every day, except Sunday as it is family day. Wednesday is PoPinoy taping. But today, technical rehearsal for PoPinoy TV is happening too. Did you miss Alden and Unglammed? Say hello when you see him on the lane beside you while driving. Life is like a camera. Just focus on what's important. God bless us all. Thank you for watching. Disclaimer. Information, photos, videos used based from the research on the internet. Social media news updates. Credits to the owner. Don't forget to press like, share, subscribe, leave kind comments, and click all the notification bell so you will be notified if I upload new video. Ta-ta. Hugs and kisses.